Hello there, YouTube. A message to all my subscribers and potentially new subscribers. But I'm about to reach 25,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. It's been a little slow build to this point. Family life and everything else has gotten in the way, per se, but love my life. But I'm trying to do more YouTube videos for you guys. We're reaching 25,000 subscribers, and that is a moment I would like to celebrate. And I'd like to celebrate that with a giveaway at 25,000 subscribers. YouTube has a bunch of rules about this, other stuff that I'm not really going to look into so much, to be honest. I don't have the time. But what I'm going to do is basically, if you subscribe to my channel and you also subscribe to my Instagram account, which is kind of my main social media now for Joe the Auto Guy, what I'm going to do is we're going to do a giveaway at 25,000 subscribers. As I'm recording this video, I'm at 24,836. To be eligible to enter this, you need to, 1, like my Instagram account, 2, comment in the picture that's going to be up right after this video. And when you do that, if you don't have an Instagram account, make one. Just do it real quick. You don't like social media, do it real fast. Only do it for this. You have a chance to win. Or don't do it. You don't win. But what I'm going to do is a random generator to pull a random name from that Instagram account, and you have to, in the comment of that Instagram picture, Instagram, YouTube, use your name, or DM it to me after you choose the winner. So I have to verify that you actually subscribe to the channel. So that's how we're going to do this. If you have a better way to do it, I'm open to suggestions as well. But I just want to do something fun. 25,000 subscribers. I'm going to be paying the shipping, everything. They come from me. I'm going to send you a new tool. That's what's going to be fun. Is we're going to have a new tool that I use constantly. I've already purchased it. So, but we're going to keep it a surprise until the actual 25,000 subscribers. So, like Instagram account, follow it, get some more, and subscribe to the channel and share it. Share it was another thing. I'm sorry, share it. So we do 4 things. So share it, Instagram, follow, comment, and then when you follow the YouTube channel, if you're seeing this, you're going to see it. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching, and let's get a winner out there. And thank you for 25,000 subscribers. A little bit early, but thank you for the build to this point. So hopefully we'll be talking to you guys soon.